guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from November 5th through November the 11th. So what I'm going to be doing this week, I just was really in a mood of just sort of, we've had a little bit of a cold snap coming and I just wanted to enjoy fall. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree stickers. I think these are so pretty. I've had them a while, but I love the leaves. And then I just chose this paper to go with it. This reminds me of a sweater. I've used this in a spread I did last year. And then this just reminds me of apples or like trees that have been cut in two. I just love it. And then this little washi from Dollar Tree, I think it's so cute with all the little forest animals. And then I'm just going to be using a Sharpie marker in bronze. So let's take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad that everyone loved my family affair theme. I really enjoyed doing it. Okay, I've decided I want this to be my dominant paper, so I'm going to cut it first. But I just think this paper just looks so fall. We've had a couple cold snaps, then it warmed back up, but now we're getting ready for another one. So I'm excited about that. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we like it. I think this is going to give us a really nice, cozy spread. I bought this paper in a pack at Michael's that I got on sale in the spring sometime. Oh, I really like how that's turning out. Oh, I really do like that. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. I think this is going to be so cute. I love this washi. It just looks like something, little animals you could see when you were out walking in the forest in the fall. That is adorable. That is so cute. I think I'm going to put some down through here too. That is really cute. Okay, let's open up our stickers. But I said this many times before, you can really make a planner very inexpensively by using Dollar Tree stickers and Dollar Tree washi. They have so many beautiful things out. Okay, I think I may want to put my tree, I think I may put him right here. I think that's pretty. Okay, and then this is kind of a little leaf. I don't know where to put that one yet. Let's put these down. I may just put these. You could cut these individually if you wanted, but I think I may just put them right down here and kind of keep this a sort of simple spread. And then here's just a little leaf that's falling. And here's a leaf. It's maybe coming down this way. And then this is a really pretty, I think that's a bird. I'll put that right there. And then here's a leaf. And I'll probably put this maybe like that. I think that's really cute. It's simple but really cute. Now I just need to write a few things that I need to do down. Okay. All right, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I think it's really cute. I think it really gives us a nice fall feel. but yet it's just simple. I wanted something very simple but cute. And I think I've definitely achieved it. I really do love it. I love these stickers from Dollar Tree and the washi from Dollar Tree. It's so pretty. And then I really like my paper. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.